Welcome to Ask the Experts, the podcast from Liese Lumber. We bring you the top building material specialists to help you transform your home. I'm Mike Lippert, president of Liese Lumber at 319 East Main Street in Belleville, Illinois. Today we're talking about one of the most important parts of your home, your windows. Windows impact energy efficiency, comfort, appearance, and resale value. And right up front, I want homeowners to know if you don't currently have an installer, Liese Lumber can refer a certified, trusted installer to make sure your windows are installed properly and professionally. Today's experts joining me are Tom Haggerty from Liese Lumber and Nick from Midway Windows and Doors, a product representative from Alliance Windows. Thank you for being here, gentlemen. Good to have you here.
Thanks, Mike.
Nick, let's get to the start. Why should a homeowner consider Alliance Windows instead of keeping older windows or choosing a basic builder grade option?
Well, Midway Windows and Doors is a locally manufactured product here in Illinois. They're engineered for durability and longevity. So they're a 3 1/4 inch overall frame with double strength glass and low E packages available. And all of their products are backed by the Assurance Plus warranty.
Tom, this is for you. What do you see at Liese Lumber for homeowners? What are their concerns most about their window situation now on their current windows?
Usually energy efficiency, maybe seal failure, water between the glass, inside. Just improper operation where balances are bad. There's several things that we see.
Can you mention about UV exposure?
Yes, years ago, like a low E coating wasn't really as good as it is now. The argon gas that's in the window, they've just made so many improvements to these windows that even if you have a vinyl window that was replaced 20 or 25 years ago, the new ones have just gotten so much better since then.
Nick, our Midwest climate can be brutal. Hot summers, freezing winters, big temperature swings. How do Alliance Windows perform in that environment?
Well, that's a great question, Mike. Our windows are rated for climate zone 6 in the country. And we're just down in climate zone 4 down here in Southern Illinois. So these windows are definitely engineered to perform. So performing as far north as the Upper Peninsula and the Canadian border, they're not going to have any problems performing extremely well for this area.
Energy efficiency are two words that are thrown around a lot. What do they actually mean for a homeowner in dollars and comfort? Nick.
Well, the energy efficiency you're going to get from a window replacement is going to drastically change the comfort in your home. It's going to eliminate warm and cold spots in the house, and that savings definitely compounds over time.
Thomas, how do we help customers choose the right glass package for their specific home?
Well, we kind of talk about what they need in their specific situation. We have several options as far as glass packages and window grades. We just need to discuss what their needs are.
The next question is for both. Let's talk appearance. Windows dramatically change the look of a home. What style options are available with Alliance? Nick.
So Midway comes with 12 exterior color options. Those are our standard available options. We do custom color matching as well. And then we have 6 interior colors. So we have our 2 white and tan, and then our 4 laminated interiors, 3 wood grains and a black.
And Tom, we can help them through whether they're looking for a single hung or a double hung window and what options for their house, correct?
Definitely. We have a program here in-house. You walk in the door, we can help you build the windows that you need to fit your situation. We can give you options for glass packages, colors, types of windows. So we can help the customer out with a variety of situations.
What are the new construction versus replacement projects? Does Alliance handle both new construction and replacement windows, Thomas?
Yes, they actually offer both new construction and replacement, and they have on the new construction, they have their Wingate series, which is new construction with the J channel. They have a Highland series, which is new construction with no J channel. And then when you get to the replacements, they offer a Belmont, which is their basic replacement, and then a Hawthorne, which is the upgrade window in the replacement series.
Do you want to add anything to that, Nick?
Yeah, I would say that the Belmont is definitely kind of our bread and butter replacement window. The Hawthorne, however, does have the wood grain interior. So if you're looking for the little more elegant look on the interior, the Hawthorne is where you're going to want to be. And the Hawthorne also includes a lifetime glass breakage warranty, which a lot of homeowners are looking for these days.
And something else on a Hawthorne, you can add a nail fin on that and use that window as a new construction window, which
That's right.
I just recently built my own house and I chose to use that window in my own home. So if that tells you anything.
Installation makes or breaks a window job. What should homeowners know, both of you guys?
I would say make sure that your installers are somewhat of a nationally certified window installer. There's a plethora of options that they can go to get that, but I just wouldn't let anybody install windows in your house.
Again, I'd like to bring up that Liese can refer a certified installer. Give us a call on that. Speaking of warranty, what kind of protection comes with Alliance Windows, Nick?
Alliance Windows offers the Assurance Plus warranty, so that's a limited lifetime warranty on the product that's fully transferable. There's no registration required with our product. As long as you can identify it with any of the 3 labels we apply on every window and a picture of the problem, we not only will, but we want to stand behind our product.
Thomas, this is for you. For someone listening who knows their windows are 20 to 30 years old, when is the right time to start planning?
Right now, because you can get everything lined up. We can get you all the details worked out for what you need, get your installers lined up. Their turnaround time for production is pretty fast, very fast.
Mike, I'd like to also add that not only do we back our product lifetime on the glass seals, vinyl extrusions, and parts, we offer a 5-year labor warranty that is included with purchase of any of our products.
Excellent. Finally, for someone thinking it's time to upgrade, what's their first step, Tom Haggerty?
I would say come in here with the list of what you got. Let us build some windows, price some things out, and see which options fit your situation best.
Alliance has 3 product lines. Nick, we'd like to start off with the Hawthorne. Can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. So the Hawthorne is going to offer, that's going to be a no J finish on the exterior. It's going to be an overall 3 3¼ inch overall frame, Duralite warm edge spacer. You're going to get nearly 15% more material in the extrusion. So you'll go from an 060 to a 072 nominal wall thickness. You get a lifetime glass breakage warranty is included with the Hawthorne product line. So that's if the lawnmower throws a rock or your wife throws a shoe, that glass is getting replaced. And for 5 years, we're going to come change stationary glass. The Wingate and Belmont are essentially the same exact window, inside and out, through and through. The simple difference is that one has a nail flange and one does not. The Wingate is our new construction model. All the options are available in both Wingate and Belmont, and there's a full portfolio of options that fit many architectural needs. We do everything from single hung, double hung, casements, awnings, patio doors, geometrical shapes, radius shapes, circles, quarter rounds, half rounds, eyebrows, ellipticals. There's really not much that we don't do.
Nick, what do we see in market trends in Alliance Windows, and how many color options do you guys offer?
So we have a total of 6 interior color options and 12 exterior color options. As far as colors trending right now, if a window's not white, it's leaving the factory black. We do a couple things different in our coated exterior products. Our products go through a vinyl acid wash. So we remove the wax surface from the surface of the vinyl extrusion, exposes the semi-porous surface. This allows our coatings to actually bond with the PVC instead of just lay on top of it. They go through a UV activated oven that activates the hardening agent. So our coated exteriors essentially just continue to harden with time as they're exposed to UV light.
Thanks again from Thomas Haggerty from Liese Lumber and Nick from Midway Windows and Doors joining us today and sharing insights on Alliance Windows. If you're ready to improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal, visit Liese Lumber at 319 East Main Street in Belleville. or give us a call at 618-234-0105. We have 23 windows on display here in our showroom.
Hi, I'm Nick with Alliance Window Systems. We're here at Liese Lumber in the showroom where you can come down and see Tom and get a customized quote. They have 23 windows on display to show a variety of options. It's all here at 319 East Main Street in downtown Belleville, Illinois.